welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very different because today we're going to talk about the products which went viral, but unfortunately I did not like them. I wouldn't recommend, and I'm going to be very honest. I'm going to give my reasons. It would be that you would have liked it or you might like it, but for me it did not stand out. So let's quickly get started with the video. First up is this product right here. Now this I have actually emptied out. Now this is actually by Bath and Body Works, and this is their eucalyptus and spearmint body wash. Now the problem with the product is amazing. I genuinely loved it. I was very consistent with it, but I am very disappointed with the price point. I mean, I know eucalyptus बहुत महंगा होता है and spearmint बहुत महंगा होता है, but यार, this is not for 300 rupees. This is not for 500 rupees. This is not for 1000 rupees also. This is for 1799, and I think abhi jab I was actually checking, it actually went to 2000 also. Like for this bottle, for me to give about 1800 rupees to 2000 rupees, I really don't feel it's worth that much. We would find as an alternative जिधर eucalyptus का body wash मिल सकता है हमें, but yeah, 2000 rupees for a body wash, I feel that's really not done. But coming to the product, I really enjoyed using the product. The fragrance of it, the experience of it is amazing, but the price point is something that I'm very disappointed about. I think price point could have been a little better. Okay, so the next product that I want to talk about, where everybody went crazy about the product, is this one right here, which is the Plum Price Water and Niacinamide 10% serum, which actually claims that it brightens from first use and fades blemishes. Now, honestly, it did not do anything to my skin. I have actually used this much of the product, and I actually got this last year in November when the sale was on, but I feel that it did not work for me. It might would have worked for you. I'm sorry if this was not something that had to come on my list, but I am very honest, this actually did not work for me. But the thing is that ये इतना प्राइजी भी है, like प्राइजी मतलब this is for about 849 rupees. So I was like, how do I work around this one? And then this is like 10% niacinamide, which actually says that it takes care of the sebum and also helps to give you like a little brighter looking skin. So I've actually started using this underarms because मैंने बोला यार serum underarms use करके देखते हैं how it perform. I don't know, it's been a few weeks that I've been trying it out. I hope it works out because I want to empty this product क्योंकि मुझे इतने पैसे दे के इसको waste नहीं करना. I just don't want to throw it away because I got this from my own money. So yes, without not cribbing about the price point, I feel that this really did not work for me. It says it brightens from the first use. If this would have brightened my skin even after 2 months, I would have been very happy, but I feel this is not worth the hype. Next one, I just saw, this is again by Plump. Now this is the Plump Body Loving, and this is their Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion with cocoa butter. Again, I wish you could actually feel. I actually got this last November क्योंकि मैं इतना ये I was like कितना येड़ा हो गया था. I was like, I went so crazy hearing people talk about this and saying that it has caramel and vanilla combination fragrance is very crazy. You would actually, the moment you wear this and you walk, it will be like you all, basically you are going to be smelling like a caramel. But it went so viral that I had to get my hands on it, and I got it, and I actually got this with the body wash. So that I thought कि body wash के साथ if I use this, it is gonna keep the fragrance for a longer time. So मैंने body wash भी लाया और मैंने lotion भी लाया. But even though I wear it together, the smell is gonna last for about an hour and two. जब मैंने स्टार्ट में यूज किया ना, आई वॉज लिटरली लाइक smelling like this, and I thought it is there, like I thought it is going to be there for 3 hours, 4 hours, it is there. But I think now suddenly when I'm wearing this, it just goes away. It is there, like very mild bhi hota hai, magar 3-4 hours ke baad it just goes away. There is no fragrance. So आई मीन वॉज द पॉइंट, बिकॉज इसमें ना ही कोई एक्टिव है, ना ही ये कुछ करता है आपके बॉडी के लिए. बेसिकली दिस इज फॉर फ्रेग्रेंस. सो अगर ये फ्रेग्रेंस का काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, देन व्हाट डू आई डू विद दिस? आई हैव गॉट लाइक द एंटायर बॉटल एंड आई एम लाइक लेट्स फिनिश दिस. पर वो मुझसे हो ही नहीं पा रहा है, क्योंकि एवरी टाइम आई गो एंड चेक, I just pick up my Vaseline and just apply it because it has a sunscreen also in it. But I am not very sure what do I do with it. Probably मुझे लगता है probably मुझे ऐसा लगता है I have to stick this to someone like who would probably use this, but I am definitely not going to use it. The thing now with this is, the moment you actually take this out, like मैं अभी भी कर सकता हूँ, the smell is good. Okay, the smell is good. I like the fragrance. The problem is that it doesn't stay for a very long time. That's my concern. Otherwise, it is really good. It's a hydrating, jewelry, everything. You can see the difference. I've applied it here. और यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लगाया मैंने. ये बहुत ही हाइड्रेट होता है, बट यार after few hours it is just gone. It has to be on the body for at least a minimum of 5 to 6 hours, when you're out. And I really did not enjoy it, to be very honest. I just want it to gift or just give it to someone who will probably use this. So I'm very honest. I'm sorry. I love Plump as a brand. I've been using their Kajal and a lot of other products. Also, their night cream, which I thoroughly enjoyed. The green bottle mein jo aata tha, like in a jar. I really enjoyed that. But these two products, I really did not like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments कि क्या ये आपके body में was the fragrance there on your body skin for a longer time? Maybe ऐसे भी हो सकता है because I'm an oily and a sweaty girl, maybe वो निकल जाता होगा. It wouldn't stay for over 1.5 to 2 hours से ज़्यादा रुकता ही नहीं है. Maybe if you're a dry skin और आपने अगर ये try किया है, let me know in the comments so that also people who are watching this video would look at the comments and would know कि maybe ये dry skin को it's suitable for dry skin basically. So yes, this is something that I personally did not enjoy. So the next product and the last product, I have this one, and like I said, I've got very few products which I think doesn't work. But yeah, I really want to talk about this. इसको भी ना मैंने नवंबर में लाया था, like last year, and I've just used this much, like this tiny bottle. I thought it will be off in a month, but ये अभी भी है. And this is the L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence for Crystal Clear Skin Salicylic Acid. I don't even know what this does. Salicylic acid basically जब आपको acne होता है, you want that, to make sure that your acne is intact. It will help fade away stuff from your face. But इसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, आई फील आई एम अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन गर्ली. सो आई फील कि इसने ना मुझे थोड़े से ग्रेन्स दे दिए मेरे फेस को. एंड ऑल्सो आई स्टार्टेड काइंड ऑफ ब्रेकिंग आउट, एंड दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड नॉट यूज इट. आई एक्चुअली थॉट कि मे बी कोई और प्रोडक्ट होगा. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस ऑन इट्स ओन, एंड मैंने कोई और एक्टिव ही यूज नहीं किया. But it actually broke me out and I was very surprised. So surprised me, I was actually very shocked. So I feel this is something that did not work for me. L'Oreal Paris के भी बहुत सारे products है which is very good, and I think इनका marketing और campaign also goes so viral that people just look at the creators and they are like, you know what, this is definitely gonna work. And this was also one of those product last year which went viral on the internet. And that's the reason I got like a tiny bottle. I was like, let's not waste money, just get a tiny one, let's see if this works or no, and then we'll get a bigger one. But it did not work for me, and I actually got acne on my uh, forehead and on my chin for some reason. I don't know why, but yes, these are the 4 products that actually did not work for me. So not every viral product that you see on the internet is actually good. Do your research, take a smaller or a sample before you actually get like a larger bottle, so that you don't regret later. I am trying ways to get this over because I really don't want to throw the entire stuff because a lot of money goes into it. So yes, that was about the video. I'm not being I don't want to pinpoint any brand. It is just that I really want to be honest, where I promote a lot of stuff like my by my own self, where I know that this product have worked and it might work for you. I also want to give light to the products that have not worked for me. And like I said, these are just 4 products that have not worked for me, and I've given you my reason. And I feel that that would be really fair to share my journey and how I deal with products that really don't work for me, especially that which goes super viral on the internet. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. I would really appreciate if you could go down, comment, and let me know if any of these products actually worked for you. And yes, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.